तुम्हें कैसे लड़के पसंद है, किस एज ग्रुप के?
Um, well, from like when I started being teens, since then I used to always like matured man, like who was like 10, 15 years elder to my age. So I always, even from childhood, like, I always wanted to date a person who's like, matured, sensible, a good sense of humor, good conversation, good in like, the way he behaves, maturity, like I always wanted, I never liked chocolatey boy, like dudes and, like macho, like show off person, like, kiddos, kids are always, boys are always going to be boys and men are always going to be men. So for me, men is always going to be men. So I always liked men, like, a man, complete gentleman.
Is there any specific reason behind this?
They are like always like good listener, like they're so sensible, like me, I like to connect with people and, who's got good sense of humor. Like in sex, the first thing what I want is being sensible, like having a good sense of humor, which makes you to take you to another level, good bonding, good conversation, gets you into sex, like if a man is a dumb who can't get a girl in conversation, so he can't win hearts, just being dumb with a girl. Like only the boys can be like that.
Younger guys end up using you, or they do with all this
They
shit.
don't respect women. They just behind one thing, like just only sex. To have sex with girls is just not only bang bang. You have to have that bond, a good chemistry, a good conversation, good attraction. Attraction is just not the body. You have to connect within soul to soul connection, heart to heart. You should vibe. There should be a vibe, spark. Just not like just one night stand, just being banging, or just for a fuck boy. Like boys are always going to be a fuck boys.
Exactly. That thing.
Boys are always going to be a fuck boys.
So, like, अभी कोई प्लान है to get settled, और no, अभी ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं है?
Yeah, I'm planning to settle down. It's high time for me to, to have a peaceful life instead of having those one night stands and in and out relationships. I think I'm too tired of that now. So yeah, now I'm planning to settle down soon.
How many boyfriends you have?
Well, right now, nobody. I don't want to have baggages in my life.
How many had?
I had like, once a time I dated simultaneously 3 men.
Oh man, 3 guys all
Yeah,
together.
three men, not guys.
All together.
Yeah, simultaneously.
How
like,
did you manage?
Yeah, one was in Dubai, one was in two was in Dubai, one was in India. So I was like, I don't know, I was just existing. So I was just like switching on and off, on and off. So I was like basically confused. I don't know who to be with, who not to be with
So
me.
how you were managing with 3 guys simultaneously? How?
It just happened, just being with
Wow.
the flow. So just existing.
जब लड़कों की 3 गर्लफ्रेंड्स हो सकती है,
हाँ, हमारे
तीन
भी हो
boyfriends
सकते
नहीं
हैं।
हो सकते। Correct, बिल्कुल।
हाँ।
अच्छा, और इसके अलावा ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि रात को you had sex with somebody else and day में you were with somebody else? ऐसा कभी हुआ कि एक के साथ निकल के तुरंत दूसरे के साथ इन्वॉल्व हो गई? ऐसा कभी हुआ है?
No, I'm not that mood swing. वो एक तो वैसे ही वो उभरने में मैं मतलब whenever I used to have one night stand, I used to be in one place in the night and the next day I just seem to be another different house, different place and different people. Like like hungover part, like half Gajni I used to be once a time, when I used to have one night stand, half Gajni, like hangover part 4 I used to be like.
एक बात मुझे बताओ, ऐसा कभी हुआ कि किसी ने वन नाइट स्टैंड किया है और सेकंड डे लगा है यार काश फिर से हो जाए उसके साथ? ऐसा कभी किसी के साथ हुआ है?
No, nobody was that interesting.
अरे
Mumbai is very boring.
when it comes to sex. But
Yeah,
other things are
typical,
good.
yeah, typical Mumbai.
एंड ऐसा कभी फ्लाइट में मतलब बीचेस में कभी ऐसी किसी कोई वाइल्ड सा सेक्स एक्सपीरियंस कार में ऐसा कोई?
Yeah, I had a sex on the beach in Goa.
Wow.
Yeah, that was crazy. That was my fantasy. That was always been my fantasy, and I just explored it like once with one of the nights. One of the night when I
Flight
slept
पे?
there. Flight पे नहीं.
कार में?
बोरिंग फ्लाइट.
कार में?
गाड़ी में तो yeah, I had a lot of sex in car.
Okay.
Like from the airport, like my boyfriend used to come and like whenever I used to go and pick him up, he used to come and pick me up. We used to have it in the car only before we get to a house.
Okay.
That crazy because we used to have long distance. So India, Dubai, India, London. So we used to have the long distance. Is very the best part of being in long distance is like craving for sex, craving for body to
काफी
body.
वाइल्ड है आप मायरा. इसकी आगे की बातें मैं अगले एपिसोड में करेंगे.